Hi everyone, I'm Joe. Want to sculpt, tone and shape your body without spending hours in the gym? Today I'm breaking down the best exercises to target every muscle group so you can build strength, define your curves and feel amazing. And trust me, you don't want to miss exercise number 4. It's a total game changer. Smash that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Before we hit targeted toning, let's talk about full body workouts. These burn fat while sculpting muscle at the same time, efficiency at its best. Here are my top picks. Jump squats, fire up your legs, glutes and core. Burpees, the ultimate fat-burning full body move. Mountain climbers, tone your abs and boost cardio. Doing these for just 10 minutes can make a big difference. Want toned legs and a lifted booty? You need these lower body moves. Squats, the king of leg exercises for strength and tone. Lunges, targets your thighs, glutes and balance. Glute bridges, the secret to a round, firm booty. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps and trust me, you'll feel the burn. A sculpted upper body isn't just about looks, it's about strength and confidence. Here's how to tone your arms, shoulders and back. Push-ups. Tone your chest, shoulders and triceps. Shoulder press. Build strong, defined shoulders. Bicep curls. Say goodbye to flabby arms. Want toned arms? Add these to your routine at least 3 times a week. If you want a toned stomach, you need more than just crunches. Here are my go-to core exercises for definition planks. Strengthen your entire core and improve posture. Russian twists. Sculpt those obliques for a defined waist. Leg raises. Target the lower abs for a flat stomach. Abs are made in the kitchen and in the gym, so keep your diet clean and stay consistent. Want to reveal those toned muscles? You've got to burn off excess fat. The best cardio for toning? Jump rope. A fun way to burn calories fast. Height sprints, short, intense and super effective. Stair running tones legs while melting fat. Pair this with strength training for maximum results. There you have it, the best exercises for toning and shaping your body. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Share this with a friend and subscribe for more fitness tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Thanks for watching. Now go crush that workout.